much I love Carly, y'all.
Whatever.
What it do, y'all? It's your boy Raymond, and I'm back with another banger. Today's prank is I'm gonna eat some dog poop. Me and Ida, you know, we got these prank wars going. Me and Carly, he has gotten real close, and she knows how much I love Carly now. But Carly comes outside and poops a lot. Exhibit A. So y'all see that poop? So every morning, Ida gets up and picks up all the poop. Sometimes I help her, but most times she does it. So here's the play. We're gonna come out. I got some Tootsie Rolls that I'm gonna mash up. I'm gonna show y'all me mashing them up to make it look like poop. And while we're out here picking up the poop, she's gonna talk to me. I'm gonna talk to her, and I'm gonna tell her I love Carly so much. I'm gonna show you how much I love her by eating her poop. But it's really gonna be the Tootsie Rolls. So I'm about to go do that, go in the house. She's in the shower right now, so I'm gonna try to do this real quick. All right, so I'm in the house. We got the Tootsie Rolls ready. These are the Tootsie Rolls. And I'm about to mash them up and make it look like poop. Hey, I need y'all to do me a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below about these pranks, because we bringing them to you. We bringing bangers!
A few moments later.
Hey guys, so we about to go outside and pick up some poop. Baby, I want you to know I went out there. There's a lot of poop out there.
I know. Been a few days.
Yeah, she been putting it off.
Over there.
There's some over there, over there.
They probably don't want to see us pick up no poop.
Man, we about to get this poop up. Matter of fact, I'm gonna let you.
It feels so good out here.
Yes, it does.
I think this bag got a hole in it.
Yeah, you don't want to use that one then.
I know, like, I'm gonna do it like that.
I mean, let me show you some of this good poop right here, though.
Where's that poop?
You got some poop right there. There, you got some right there. That's from last night. You saw some right there.
Okay, I'm gonna get this one. Oh, it's hard and crunchy. Well, that's better though.
Yeah.
Than being like soft and mushy.
Yeah. Carly.
Ew. A bunch of poop.
Aww. So what would you say? You say
What's some more at?
I think
I'm
it's,
taking off my glasses.
yeah, cause
They sliding down.
Carly.
As I bend over. Yeah. Where's some more?
there's some right here.
Ugh. Okay, this bag is getting, my hand is getting kind of full.
There's some right here. Yeah, Carly be letting them fly.
Where?
Right there, right there. Right there in front of you.
Oh. It's all crunchy. Ain't hard. I'm done with that one.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, that's a lot of poop.
Carly, you need to start picking up your own boo-boo, girl. You gotta use those paws.
Look at Carly. She like, y'all get that
no
poop.
attention
Right.
when I'm out here picking up boo-boo.
She like, y'all get that poop, not me.
She's like, you want to send me outside to boo-boo?
Right.
Give me some boo-boo pads.
Let's see.
Oh, it stink.
Mm-hmm.
Where's
Shit.
some out here? I think this one right here. Yeah. I know one.
I think I'm gonna help you. I think I'm gonna help you pick up some too, bag. Got my little bag together. Let me see. Like
Ooh, it stinks. Look at Carly rolling around in the grass. Look at Carly, y'all. She was just rolling around right in front of the camera.
Oh, this one right here.
Look at her. Oh my goodness. Y'all, when I tell y'all this boo-boo stink, it's like you can't smell it when you just out here, but after you lift it off the grass, it stinks. It's like it brings up the smell. Like,
There's more right here, babe.
pick it up.
No, I'm looking for a big one to pick.
Oh, it's right here. It's one right there.
Zoom in on that one. I want them to see this.
It's right there. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, you pick it up. Hold the camera. There's some more over here, I think.
So yeah, I'm gonna grab this one. Nah, I'm gonna let you get that one first. And I'm gonna grab one.
It stink. This one stink in my hand. On its back.
Right here. It's right here, baby. She and Carly just like, y'all out here getting my poop up. She like, thank y'all. And while you playing, this the one she did this morning right here.
You got
Look
that
at that
one.
face.
You got that one.
Okay. You want to hold the camera while I get this one?
Yeah, let me ball this up. If y'all got a dog, y'all understand what I'm going through right now. When you don't pick up the boo-boo for a few days, it gets horrible.
So I'm about to grab this one real quick.
Look, let's hold away. Do y'all know Raymond used to not pick up the boo-boo? He used to make me pick up the boo-boo by myself. Like, seriously. Look how he act about picking up
but I love
my
Carly,
dog
though.
boo-boo.
I love Carly. That's why I do this. That's why.
He just started picking up the boo-boo, y'all.
Look how much I love Carly, y'all.
Whatever. Ah! Why would you? Oh, baby, stop. Baby, you on camera eating dog boo-boo.
Okay.
Baby, stop playing. That is not boo-boo. It do look. Baby, stop.
Carly, your poop.
It stank. You did not eat Carly boo-boo. Here, Baby. Baby. You did not eat Carly boo-boo. Stop. That's disgusting. Somebody help me. This not funny. This not funny. That ain't Carly boo-boo. That can't be Carly boo-boo.
That was Carly poop.
No, it wasn't. Baby, stop playing.
Whew. See how much I love Carly?
That ain't Carly boo-boo.
Let me kiss.
I know you ain't that retarded.
Shit. My stomach hurt.
My heart racing and my stomach hurt because if you ate that boo-boo, you ain't never kissing me again.
Let me see if I can find some more.
Stop! Stop! That's disgusting. Stop! Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Stop! That's disgusting.
Ain't nothing like.
Baby, let me smell it. Hey, boo-boo.
It's a prank. It's Tootsie Roll.
That look like boo-boo.
I know, it's a
Wet,
prank.
nasty, new, fresh
We
boo-boo.
got her. Got her. Got her.
Why you play so much?
Look at her. Oh, she like, you ain't never kissing me
This
ever
boo-boo
again.
stinks so bad. If you would have ate that boo-boo.
I'm gonna pick some up for real now, y'all, since I did that.
My stomach and my chest hurt.
Oh.
Carly is eating boo-boo or something now. What is she eating? What? Grass?
Saw some grass.
Why you
yeah.
eating grass, girl? Look, don't mock after him. He crazy. He was trying to eat your butt.
We got her, y'all. Team Raymond. Once again, Team Raymond came through in the clutch. Shout out to Raymond.
Baby, I'm like, is he really trying to prove his love? Like, seriously, like that?
Shout out to my son, little Raymond, for giving me that prank idea.
Really?
Yeah.
Straight up?
Team
Straight
Raymond,
up,
you know how it
like
is.
that?
Let me hear you.
No, it's still Team Ida in the cut.
Team Raymond, we hitting y'all with bangers.
That ain't hitting on what I hit on. That ain't.
Hey,
That
baby.
ain't on my level, baby.
Talk to the people. Tell them what you want them to do.
What I want them to do and what I want you to do is pick up that boo-boo turd that was right there for real. Pick that up. Yeah, get that boo-boo. Now eat that. Eat it. Eat it. Baby.
It feel weird as fuck, too.
Y'all, I thought he seriously ate the boo-boo to prove his love. And if he would've, that'd have been the last.
It stink for real.
That would have been the last video, vlog, prank, whatever you want to call that, with Raymond in it. Because I'm not about to be with no man that's eating boo-boo. Seriously. That's how, like.
I don't know how you pick this up every day.
Y'all clearly see, I pick up the boo-boo, right? Now he want to come out and pick up some boo-boo. I ain't gonna lie, he has picked up some boo-boo, but not like I be picking it up. Because Raymond won't be taking her outside a lot lately. That's why the boo-boo is still outside.
Team Raymond.
Team Ida, y'all make sure y'all smash the like button for me because I'm coming back. We coming strong. Make sure y'all send me some pranks because we coming strong, baby.
She started this. She don't want to finish.
I get him this little fake dookie in the mouth prank, whatever you want to call it. Which my stomach was turning. I was about to
mine hurt too. That was a lot of Tootsie Rolls at one time.
Don't forget to subscribe to me, y'all, because I'm coming back with a banger, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Peace.